What is going on, Coaster Spotters? We are in the town of Helen, Georgia. First thing we're gonna do is I ordered in some food right here at this restaurant, and let's go get it, and then we will start our little trip around Helen, the Alpine coaster, and then some drone shots. So I'm actually in my car, and I'm eating in my car because I'm still just a little worried about the whole virus and everything, and I wanted to patronize this town and everything, but I just didn't really want to eat in, and plus I don't really want to eat alone. But I got a currywurst. I got this so many times in Germany last year, so let's see how it is in comparison to the real thing in Germany. This currywurst is excellent. It brings me back to last August and September, running all through Germany. As you can see, the entire town has to be themed to German architecture. Even the Wendy's has to look the part. All right, let's go and explore Helen a little bit, show you some of the shops, some of the food places. I love the bridge right over the creek. I mean, what German town would be complete without a little creek right through the middle? And you can see there's lots of tubers going right through town. That's fun. I love how the restaurants cantilevered right over the water. Beautiful. Of course, it's a lot of American style stuff, but all themed to German architecture. As you can expect, lots of Hofbräu house all over the place. Lots of beer. So much beer. But it looks like you cannot walk around town with beer, so you are in beer jail. I love all the Alpine themed signs and everything. Oh, this is the best thing ever. So this was formerly a logging town, and that wasn't working out for them too much. Oh my god, I love how it has the little small little nooks. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh, copper kettle fudge. It looks like some things are closed. I don't know if it's because it's a weekend or if it's because of the COVID. It's probably because of COVID, unfortunately. But, you know, I think they just started to reopen. The mountain coaster only opened a week ago. So, yeah, the town's just starting to reopen. As I said, the town was established in 1910s. And then in 1969, there are actually local ordinances that they have to theme the buildings to German architecture. So that's why, like, the Wendy's and stuff all have to look like that. Very cool. Love it. Love that Hansel and Gretel candy kitchen. Another beer house. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that windmill. Let's go take a look at that. That looks awesome. That is the coolest in the Heidi Motel and Windmill Suites. And this is the supermarket. That's freaking awesome. So that's about it from one end to another. It's not that big. But I could spend the day here or two. Definitely more than the 2 hours that I'm allowing. Because at the end, I'm going to do a couple of drone flights on the way back to Chattanooga. Some really pretty scenery. So stay tuned for that after the coaster. It's really cool. They have a model railroad exhibit and a really huge building too. Oh man. That's pretty cool. I'm going to skip that and save that for next time, because there will be a next time. I will warn you though, I hear on the weekends this place can become miserably crowded, so just take that for what it's worth. Today is a Tuesday, so it's definitely not too busy. All right, let's take a look at the shops on the other side of the main street, the main Strasse. I love that the streets are Strasses, not streets. The German word for street. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, good. German bakery with all kinds of cool stuff. Closed, unfortunately. Don't expect anything too big here. But it's cute. And here's a look down the entire street of Helen from the other way. There's the Alpine coaster all the way at the end of the street. The city council's like really, really strict about things here, and they actually had to bring them to Pigeon Forge and put them on some Alpine coasters to get this thing approved, because they were worried about the sound and the noise, if it would fit in with the town. And that's the funny thing is, like, Alpine coasters were created in Germany and Switzerland. That's where they originated from, so it's like the perfect thing ever to have here. All right, now that we've taken a look around Helen, let's ride the Alpine coaster. I always found it interesting that it seems that they put a full, complete car on display. Not like a dummy one, but a fully built one. You would think that Wheeling would have one that's like stripped down without all the mechanics, but nope, full thing. So let's go ride the mountain coaster and see how it is. It's about $16. All right, there we go. Whew. Yeah. Oh, nice curve here. Oh, woohoo! Nice. Look, a double helix. Usually it's only one. Nice.
Can slow down. You're close to the wheel.
Alright, so the Georgia Mountain Coaster in Helen, Georgia. I freaking liked it. You can see the top of it, so you can see it doesn't have that much of an elevation change. I can't imagine it's more than like 200, maybe 300 at most. And the track length shows it's short. And for $16, it's expensive, but it's not the most expensive one in America, that's for sure. Expensive for Europe, but not America. I enjoyed it. It has a really good diving drop and a couple little bunny hops that are really nice that have a little bit of airtime. It's got the automatic braking, so it's restricted to like 35 miles per hour. And it has a really good helix at the end, so really enjoyed it. I suggest it.
So that is going to be it from the ground. We're now taking a look at Helen from the sky, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at some neat locations all across northern Georgia and Tennessee. So please enjoy, and thank you so much for watching The Coaster Spot. This has been Alex. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.